What is going on, guys? Just want to give you all a little update as to what's been going on. It's been, I think, 2 weeks since I posted up the shop video. As you can tell, not much has changed. That's just because we are remodeling the house completely. That's what all those doors are for, all the interior. I mean, everything's getting painted, cabinet, countertops, bathrooms, walls, everything. So I'm just trying to get out here when I can. That last video that you saw was one from the old shop, but that was actually from last year. And I just needed something to, throw out there. So all the 4-foot T8s for all around there are in. That's what those are for. I got a new pump on the power washer. If you guys want to see a video kind of on that, let me know. I'm actually be rebuilding this whole thing. It's a 3200 PSI power washer. And the pump wasn't locked up, but it just needed a few little things. Instead of, going through all the hassle with that, just ordered a new one. And because they're not that much, it was like 109 bucks or something like that. And it's the same thing. Actually, the upgraded one of that. Alright, so what you guys probably saw there was just a little bit of it was about a week ago I actually recorded that, and a lot has kind of happened since then. So all I'm working on now is just kind of cord management. I've got a lot of cords going on, I've got a lot of things going on, and a lot of things that will be happening. So I want everything to be clean as possible, hidden, as much as I can. I've got the radio, the TV, and I'm going to have all my chargers and everything set up. So here's kind of the overall of what's happening. Everything is getting swapped out to the black outlets. I'm using the Decor toggle, or the rocker switches actually. That one on both sides is going to be for the overhead lights, of course. As you can see, the overhead lights there are cut into the rafters. They're not rafters, so supports. And so that way they sit up there nice and flush. That's 8 foot of the Barina 4-foot LEDs. And every bay is going to be pretty much the exact same, other than the main bay here. It's going to have like little chargers and for the iPods and GoPros and everything. So, but every bay is going to have the plug strip, the lights, and everything's going to be hardwired into the outlets here. The outlets were already here when I got them. I just changed them out to the black ones. So tamper resistant, and I went with tamper resistance due to they've got the little covers in there. So if I'm grinding or any dirt, it's not going to be able to get into that area. It's a little thing, but it's the little things that I'm concentrating on. As you see, I've got the little cord zip ties there. Everything is hard mounted. I'm not done with this platform yet, but this platform is actually what's going to be doing the charging station, my phone charger, the whole radio. I got this little radio cover here that is going to actually be mounted up underneath. And then I'll have all my chargers and iPod up on top. Everything is ran up in there pretty nice. Still got to do that connection there, just doing some testing. TV, I'm looking for a bigger TV. I will also have the security cameras and the monitor up above in this area right there mounted to that. I've got 2 cameras mounting up now. Along with that, so cord management. I'm really kind of somewhat big. I mean, I know this still looks like crap compared to most, but like, everything. This is the switching power supply to be able to run the car radio. And so it's coming over here. I've got the TV, the radio, the sub, as you can see. And yes, I do have a 10-inch Polk Audio powered subwoofer down here. The thing will rattle the whole shop due to not having insulation right now. If I turned it towards the panels there, it rattles everything. It already kind of rattles everything, and I wish I could play you a song to listen to it, but of course copyright and everything won't let me do it. Maybe I'll be able to, I'll close it out and just do some bass, test for you. So, and the phone does a terrible job picking it up anyway, so. But yeah, I've got a GFI over here on this plug. All my power's coming in. I'm still not done, of course, on anything, but GFI is now protecting this whole plug strip, those switches, my lights, everything connected from basically this point on is all protected by GFI. The kind of going back to the sound system here, I've got one up underneath there, one up over there in the corner, and then the wires are ran this way, and I've got surround sound there and back. And that will do Bluetooth, iPod, Bluetooth phone, tuner, CD, and also it's going to be hooked up to the TV here for surround sound. I don't know why. the speakers were here, and this is what it turned into. So, you know, blame it on the speakers in the house that I just didn't know what to do with them. The radio, I mean, it's just simple. It's just that's what it is. It's a great little unit, and when that thing is actually in that case right there and put up, it's gonna look awesome when I'm done with it. Yeah, so back to kind of what I was talking about. Gas. I got all this kind of gas here for all my cutters and welders now. So I got oxyacetylene, I got C25 for the Lincoln 220 here, or 180, and yeah, over here is going to kind of be the whole cutting, grinding area. So I think the whole back panel of this thing here will be have like a sheet metal over it. All the parts for the power washer came in. So I've got the new I got a new belt, even though I don't think I really needed it. With a new pressure switch there, new gauge, new drain. That's there. Haven't even touched these things. I need to. That one's at least on a battery tender. Haven't even touched them. Been riding around my son's 90 with him, or 80 with him for a while. Actually, that's another little thing there too. It's gonna kind of, every one of these things I do want to make a video on, whether it's short, long, helpful, not. Still, it's documentation for me also, and maybe hopefully giving you guys ideas, because I've been going through and watching almost every video and idea I can to try to put into this shop. So that's actually going to be where the where this one is. It's going to be the hose reel, and then I got the extension cord one there that's going to go on this side. So I got to run another power outlet up to there, so I'll just have drop downs kind of right in the middle. But that is where that's going.